All right, this is the 2013 Algebra exam for NCEA 2, external, and this is question 3c. It says, explain why the equation, blah, does not have any real solutions, and explain what this means graphically. So, well, first of all, let's make sure it does have no real solutions. So let's go ahead and find that first. So I've got, if that's true, then 3x plus 1 all squared, I'll just write it out, x plus 1 equals -7. So it's going to be 9x squared plus 1, and it's going to be plus 6x equals -7. So I'm going to subtract, I'm going to add 7 to both sides, sorry, what am I doing? Adding 1 to, I just don't get it. I'm thinking ahead of myself here. It would be 8, because I'm going to add 7 to that side, I'm going to add 7 to that side, leaving me with 8. So now I've got 9x squared plus 6x plus 8 is 0. So does that have any real solutions? Well, let's find out. And to do that, all we're going to do is we're going to take the discriminant. So I put if no real solutions, therefore discriminant would have to be less than 0. Let's see if that's true. Well, what is the discriminant of this? So we've got b squared minus 4ac, and let's see equals, and let's see what that would be. So b squared, that would be 6 squared minus 4 times 9 times 8. Well, straight away I can see this is not going to work out well. Let's do it on the calculator. So we've got, I'll just plunk it all straight in. We've got 6 squared minus 4 times 9 times 8. I get negative 252. So that equals negative 252. Therefore, it is less than 0. Therefore, discriminant is less than 0. Now, because that's true, because that's the case, it means a number of things. It means graphically, the graph is probably going to be situated somewhere above the x-axis, yeah? It's going to be sort of somewhere up here, something like that, yeah? Therefore, graph does not cross x-axis. There are no real roots. So no real solutions also means no real roots. And that's how I would express it. I probably wouldn't draw the graph, but that's basically what you would do. So I would actually go ahead, calculate the discriminant, and basically find it does in fact have, it is less than 0. And that means, of course, the graph does not cross the x-axis, and there would be no real roots. And the graph would look probably something like that. And if you're going to draw it, put a y and a 0 and an x and a, yeah. I could, of course, the parabola is upside down, but this is going to be a positive parabola. In fact, it's going to cross at 8. You can actually probably draw this up and draw this here. This is going to cross at an 8 there, like that. And that's probably what I would do. I'd probably label the thing, but it was going to look something like that. And that's how I would answer the question.